Okay guys, here we go, MECALODON for the first time, and of course we have the front row. Oh my god, are you ready guys?
I'm ready.
I am very ready. I am so excited for this ride. Woohoo! Wow, that's a smooth ride. Gerstlower, wow! Woohoo! Oi! I think this is amazing. This makes me very happy. Oh, this is so great. I am about to say that this is the best family coaster I've ever ridden. Wow! Wow! And it's long.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah!
I'm so impressed.
That is fantastic.
Amazing.
MECALODON, Walibi, and just wow! I would take this every day of the week.
Yeah.
Wow!
Beautiful.
Oh, we need to try this in the back row.
Oh yes.
Wow!